Today I'm going over my January 2022 business income report from my business, from my YouTube channel, my blog, my coaching, my courses, all of that. I have 9 income streams, which is amazing this month. That is so awesome. I'm very, very proud of this. And I do have a freebie for you guys of 97 online business ideas to grow your income, to get new revenue streams, to kind of tweak your interest and really give yourself some light bulb moments of, oh, I could do that, or I could make this a side hustle or an online business. So I will have that linked for you down below in the description box. I also have a full blog post on this as well. So definitely check out the blog post that goes into more detail of all the income streams. And as always, I am all about transparency in talking about the income, but as well as the expenses, because we can talk about income all day long, but if someone is saying that they're making $10,000 a month, but they're spending $9,000 in ads, their revenue is only $1,000. So I think it's so important to see the income plus the expenses. So we're going to talk about it all. All right, jumping right in, affiliate marketing, $820.44. Next is Etsy, is $379.66. Freedom in a Budget Shop, $223.98. Now, these two revenue streams, Etsy and Freedom in a Budget Shop, this is just the products that are hosted on my website. This is all of my Excel templates, all of my printables, all of that. They're the same exact products hosted in two different places, just because, as you can see, people are buying them on both platforms. And if they're buying on both platforms, then I'll have them on both platforms. So that's what that is. YouTube and blog, this is the ads that run on my YouTube channel and on my website. 99% of this is all from YouTube. I think I make like $10 for my blog a month, but YouTube and blog is $1,223.08. Instagram, this is what I get paid for Reels, and this is a new program that Instagram has out. It is not rolled out to all creators, unfortunately. They're only rolling it out to select creators, but I made $112.86 off of my Reels on Instagram. Courses, I have 2 courses. One is an entrepreneur course, Dreamer to Profitable, and one is a course on groceries, how to save money on groceries. And I made $729.22 on that. Patreon, I made $27.23. Speaking, I did one speaking engagement. They paid me $100, but after fees and stuff, it was $96.62. Sponsorship was one sponsor for $1,500, and that brings a total for the month of $5,113.09. All right, next is expenses. So first is education development. This is a group that I pay for, a membership that I pay, $97 a month. Labor, no labor this month. I didn't hire any freelancers or anything. This month was $0. Supplies, I bought some templates for $20 and then some Tombow markers for hand lettering, the thank you cards, different things like that. So some supplies for $23.38 for a total of $43.38. No travel this month. Expenses and marketing. I did a giveaway on this channel, if you guys didn't see, last month. And so it was $100 that I gave away in Amazon gift cards. And then I gave it away, and I'm going to do another one soon. So stay tuned for that. Expenses, subscription, and dues. This is always the highest amount category. MailChimp. MailChimp I have had for years, and as you guys know from my tutorials, Flowdesk is my main email source. I do still have some things run through MailChimp, like my orders on my shop, the confirmation emails, all that stuff gets delivered through MailChimp, but the majority of my emails I've migrated all over to Flowdesk. And they charged me for a month that they shouldn't have, so I got a refund for $29.97. G Suite, $6. Comcast Internet, you can see all the different subscriptions and everything that we have here is at $310.10. Expenses in food, $0. Total of all expenses. All right. So this is where the Profit First method comes in. If you guys haven't checked out Profit First, I'll have the book link down below. It was a really big aha moment for me, and I really, really enjoyed it. So I'll have it linked for you. I don't do it exactly how he says. I modify it to me, but I'll go over everything with you. So total of all expenses was $550.48. The total revenue for the month was $5,113.09. Profit was 5% profit, which I take a 5% profit and I put it into an account. And then every quarter, so every 3 months, I take that money and I give it to myself as a bonus. So profit was $255.65. Owner's pay, 65%. So 65% of the total revenue I take and I give that to myself, so that gets transferred to my personal budget and that my family uses to pay our bills and everything, was $3,323.51. So this essentially is my paycheck that I get. So 65% of the income is my paycheck. Next is operating expenses. So 30% of operating expenses is $1,533.93. So then I take now my goal is to spend 30% of operating expenses in my business every month, because I want to get better at hiring freelancers and outsourcing and different things like that to scale. This is actually a huge problem that I have in my business and something I'm working on at getting better at. So that is where the Profit First was an aha moment for me. And I'll have a video link that I talked about it down below in the description box. So operating expenses, 30% minus what I spent, is $983.45. So I really wish I had spent this extra $1,000 pretty much. So what I do is I put this in an account, and as you can see here, the operating expenses minus account, I put this in an account, and this is a buffer that I have, or an account that I can pull from. So say I have a big project that I'm working on that I need to pay someone $1,500, I can pull from this account. Even if I don't have the money in that month's budget, I can pull it from that account. Or if I have a conference I want to go to, or I want to buy a course, I can pull it from that account. So that's what that is. So we're going to jump down to the blue box for a second. So profit 5%, this goes into an account as well for my bonus. And then the operating expenses minus 30% is here. All right, this green box, I worked 71 hours. I track all of my time in Toggl. I love Toggl. I track everything that I do in my business in Toggl. So I worked 71 hours in January. So that comes out to an hourly rate of $72.02. So honestly, that's actually, I worked way more hours than I typically do. Typically, I work about 50 hours a month. So I worked about 20 hours more. So it brought down my hourly rate, but that is okay. We had a big month, and as you can see, the income was there. I'm working on preparing for maternity leave. I'm having a baby any week now, and so I'm having to prepare for that maternity leave. So I'm working extra now because the next few months it's going to be very, very low hours. So that is my plan for that. Like I said, I have a blog post. Definitely check that out. Check out my other income reports. I will have them linked down below in a playlist and other tutorials. Let me know what tutorials you guys want to see, and I will make them for you. I'm all about suggestions, so what tutorials you want, I will make. I will see you guys soon.